In this video, we will show you how to make music with Suno. To make music with Suno, it's very easy. And in here, you can using Pro version, Premier version, even on the free version. But different version have different limitation. In here, we using the Pro version. How to do that? After you log in into your Suno, you can click the create here. Okay, this is the create menu. On the Suno application, there is simple, advanced, and sounds category. If simples, you can just add the prompt for the song description here. And you can also using the predefined suggestion here. Okay, you can see there is bass guitar, guitar solo, heavy bass, or another. But you can also write your song description in there. And in the advanced, it is the same, but in the advanced is having the option for lyrics. Okay, there is option for lyrics, so you can make music in here. Okay, and for the simple, there is no lyrics option. If you click this lyrics button, it will direct you into the advanced tab. You can see there, it's automatically. Also, there is sound menu here. We can create a short sample, effects, loops, and one shoots. Okay, ready to drop into anything. You can using the short version of the sound, and you can make effects, loops, and another. Okay, you can see. And in here, we can just using the simple because we just create music with lyrics. If you want to advance using lyric, you can using this. Okay, I already also prepare the prompt. Okay, you can generate the prompt using AI if you want, but you can also write your own description in here. Okay, we can just click create after that. After you click create button, your song will appear here. Okay, and we can play after it's completed. If you're using the free version, maybe it's slower. Okay, but you can try that. This is very helpful if you just play the music after the generation is complete. For example, here, let's play. Okay, and you can play the second. This is still loading and still be processed. And this is still loading and still be processed. We can also download the file after this finish. To download your music or song, you can just click in this here. This is for the music that already complete. You can click this and select an extension .wav if using Pro, get stem if using Pro, video if using Pro. So we can just click MP3 audio, for example, like that. This is preparing our music, and we can save into our desktop, for example. And that's all tutorial how we can create music or make music using Suno. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.